Now here I go again, I see the crystal vision. I keep my visions to myself.